Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Niken Yuliastuti, student of Magister Management of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I will to say thank you to Bapak Gatot Nazir as supervisor, and I will to say thank you to Bapak Ariwaroka as supervisor. I will explain my thesis proposal entitled The Effect of Business Model and Financial Stability on the Financial Performance of Banking Companies in ASEAN and MENA. Here are some of the global phenomena that are occurring related to the financial performance of bank. Banking financial performance is very positive and to be the best since the 2007. Can be seen from the increase in net income from interest. And global banking focus on digital innovation and balance sheet growth. Banks that have low interest income and liquidity levels utilize market force to source funding. According Global Banking Annual Review, McKinsey, banks managed to achieve their best performance despite volatile interest rate fluctuation. And then banks around the world continue to improve their business models in terms of revenue, where to adapt to the challenge of the development of financial innovation in the banking sector, as can be seen from the graph of profitability in various eras. Banking systems around the world are in fairly good condition with Tier 1 capital ratio ranging from 14 until 15%. Okay, next. This slide explains some previous research, namely, non-interest income improve banking's financial performance and banking financial stability. This pattern shows that combining interest and non-interest opinions increase the level of profitability and improves the financial stabilities of bank as well as reduce bank risk. The use of the right business model results in a competitive advantage in the financial performance of bank. So the choice of the right business model leads to higher financial performance for banking companies that use it. Banks finds it important to leverage market power with different approach. This is a response to technological advance and significant change in government regulation where banks feel important. Banks in the ASEAN region experience increasing in banking financial performance. For example, Singapore banks are the best bank in the asset quality category in the entire ASEAN region. And then bank in the MENA region experience an increase in bank financial performance. In 2014, MENA had many countries with low levels of development. In 2020, there were bank consolidation action that increased market concentration. According to the working paper 2023, the improved economic outlook has led banks to reduce lending by thereby increasing profit. So for the result gap in this slide, we can see how the relationship between the variables affected or not affected. Okay. On this slide, we will to discuss about the problem limitation, problem statement, research objective, research benefit. For problem limitation, I'm using a conventional bank in the ASEAN and MENA region. The main contribution of this research focus on business model and financial stability. For data period 2010 to 2019, to avoid the influence of the global financial crisis and the COVID pandemic. So for problem statement, do business models and financial stability affect market power, technical efficiency, allocative efficiency, or scale efficiency? Are there difference in the financial performance of bank in ASEAN and MENA based on the market power and efficiency? For research objective, find out the effect of business model and financial stability on market power, technical efficiency, allocative efficiency, and scale efficiency. And then, knowing the difference in the financial performance in ASEAN and MENA during the period 2010 and 2019. For the research benefit, number one is demonstrate the influence of business models and financial stability on financial performance in the ASEAN and MENA region. Number two, as a reference for banking company owners to increase knowledge and supervision of management. And three, being a consideration in determining which banking stocks to choose for investment. Okay. Next, for the literature review, there is green theory, namely is industrial organization theory and banking intermediation theory. Banking organizational structure policies have traditionally been guided by the two paradigm of structure conduct or SCP and efficiency structure, according Van Hoos 2010. And then banking intermediation theory. Bank, financial institution through the withdrawal or selection of funds from savers, which are then channel bank in the form of loans to parties in need. In principle, intermediary institution can be divided into several types. Number one, depository intermediaries. Number two, contractual intermediaries. And number three, investment intermediaries. And for commercial bank is depository intermediaries. Okay, for this slide illustrates the relationship between the variable used in this research. Number one is bank business model and market power. Number two, relationship between business model and efficiency. Number three is the relationship between financial stability and market power. And then number four is relationship between the financial stability variable and efficiency. Okay, next, this slide is previous research matrix. The following is a matrix of previous research that examines the effect of business models and financial stability on financial performance, which consists of two aspects, namely market power and efficiency. Efficiency, and there are three techniques, yaitu namely is number one is allocative efficiency, number two is technical efficiency, and number three is scale efficiency. So we can see the matrix of previous research. Okay. For the next is research hypothesis. We can see for the hypothesis from the each variable. Number one is effective of business model on market power according Sudrajat and Hapner, and then Smith et al., Stiros and Rumble. Okay, for the next is effective of business model and technical efficiency. Next is effective of business model on allocative efficiency. And then model on scale efficiency. Scale efficiency in this Islamic bank in Indonesia is proven to be lower than Islamic bank than in Malaysia, according Mala et al. 2023. And next is effective of financial stability on market power. Financial stability has a significant effect on market power, according Sudrajat and Hapner. And then global financial stability on the market of bank is an important issue for banking regulation. So next is effective of financial stability on technical efficiency. Increased technical efficiency in GCC banks in the period after the crisis remain stable and survived the crisis. ARSA 2020. Okay, next is effective of financial stability on allocative efficiency, and then effective of financial stability on scale efficiency. Okay, this research use independent variables, namely is business model, financial stability, and then while the dependent variable is market power, technical efficiency, allocative efficiency, and scale efficiency. This research also used control variable to differentiate the influence of the independent and dependent variable. The control variable used in this research include ROA, return on asset, bank size, and company growth. Okay. The research data used is a combination of conventional banking time series data in ASEAN and MENA for the period 2010 to 2019 obtained from Bloomberg. This research takes a population of 10 banks that have the large asset from each country in the ASEAN and MENA region. For the data collection technique is library research and documentation research. The documentation applied in this research involves the result of Bloomberg financial analysis. Okay, this is we can see a sampling criteria for ASEAN and MENA. 10 biggest bank in ASEAN and MENA region is 100 and MENA is 210. Conventional bank in the ASEAN and MENA region that do not release data annually in the 2010 until 29 period is for ASEAN is 49 and MENA is 100 to 23. Total sample is 51 and MENA is 87. Data period is for ASEAN is 10 and MENA is 10. Total observation is 510. For MENA is 1870. Okay, next. So for this slide explains the formula used in each variable. For X1 is business model. In determining the business model, this research use income and funding from banking activities. Non-interest income is calculated as the aggregate of non-interest operating income components to total operating income. This is for the formula for business model NIN, non-interest operating income divided by operating income. And then for X2 is financial stability. The measurement using Z-score reflects the stability of the bank as measured by the profitability and insolvency of the bank. So this is the formula for Z-score. Z-score equals ROA plus equity divided by total asset divided by standard deviation ROA. And then for the market power is Y1. Learner index calculation analysis is used to analyze the level of banking competition. The learner index illustrates the capacity of pricing power by calculating the difference between price and marginal cost divided by price. Okay, this is a formula for index learner. Next is efficiency. Efficiency using DEA. DEA is a procedure specifically designed to measure relative efficiency using multiple inputs and outputs, where combining inputs and output is not possible. For efficiency there are three models. Number one is technical efficiency, number two is allocative efficiency, and number three is scale efficiency. Next is control variable. This research using banking size, banking growth, and return on asset. Banking size, I'm used the calculation of the natural logarithm of the company's total asset. And for the control variable, ROA, is a measurement of the extent to which a company is efficient in using its asset to generate profit. And then the growth of bank is seen from the field is of each industry, how fast or slow the companies develops from one period is to another. Okay, so this slide tells about data analytical technique, data analysis technique. I'm using a panel data regression for the results, for the research. Okay, panel data is a combination of time series data and cross-section data. The panel data regression models includes cross-section and time series elements in the equation. So this is for formula. Okay, in regression, there are three models. Number one is common effect model, number two is fixed effect model, and number three is random effect model. Okay, next models in panel data processing. There are is three tests, namely is Chow test, Hausman test, and then Lagrange multiplier. This is a formula from each test. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you, everyone.